Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Yahoo Mail. You can do this either through Google Chrome or if you have the Yahoo Mail app installed, open up the app, click on create an account. You will now have to fill in necessary information in order to sign up for Yahoo Mail. Enter your first name and then your last name. Based on your first and last name, Yahoo will suggest you some email addresses. You can see what email address suits you the best. After you're done choosing your email address, you can now fill in your password that you want to link to your email address. After filling in your password, choose the country of residence. After you're done selecting the country of your residence, you will now have to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, please select the necessary details for your birth month, the day of birth, and the year of birth. After this, choosing your gender is optional. If you'd still like to disclose your gender to Yahoo, type in your gender, click on continue. See if you'd like to save the password on your device for your easy access later on. Choose accordingly. After verifying with necessary procedures that you're not a robot, you will now be asked to verify your phone number, and hence a verification code will be texted to your phone. As you receive the code, enter the details of the code, then click on verify. And this is how, in very simple and regular steps, you will be able to sign up for your Yahoo Mail and create a new Yahoo Mail for yourself. Click on done once the welcome message pops up from Yahoo. You will now land on the main Yahoo Mail functioning page. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel.